Hello, what's up guys, I am Ariowit and welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to disable Windows Defender 11. I will show you two methods. It is disable Windows 11 Windows Defender off. Okay, two methods. You may leave a like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. Okay, so first step is enter in the security windows. You must write security windows. Here now you have treat and protect virus here, and now you click here settings, and here you have protect in real time, and you off. You have also others, three. Okay, you off, and you may also this three. Okay, that is a first option, how to disable Windows Defender, and I will show you how to permanently. Until you not remove, you must write rec edit, and now this edit register. Okay, and now we'll show you step by step which folder you must enter. So first, okay, local machine, next this, next policies, next Microsoft, and you have here Windows Defender. And now you must write disable anti-spyware. You must click this, disable anti-spyware, and next you must set number on 110. Okay, and that's all in this tutorial. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, and see you next time. If you want no more, you must remove this folder. Okay, that's all. Bye.